Welcome to Kent's vlog. Welcome to Almeger Palace. The Almeger Palace is located high on the Sarawat Mountains at west of Al-Namas city. Please join me as I enter inside the three-story Almeger Palace and let's discover the artifact of the past civilization. Visitor to this village can see the province's past displayed through lived symbols of the cultural and civilizational diversity of the region's different environments and terrains. This is the ground floor sala where the artifacts are being displayed. This is an old kettle for making Arabic tea. The artifacts was placed inside the octagon glass display. As you can see, guys, old gloves and other paraphernalia was being used by the warriors. A wonderful big antique jar was being displayed. This is a small room that looks like a balcony that overlooks the sharp cliff behind the palace. What a wonderful view anyway. Let's see, guys, the other room near to the ground floor main sala. Let us see the collection of artifacts that was being displayed here. The first things that get my attention is the banach ceiling. Very nice. Oh, it's a basket made of mat, which is known to my province as banach. There was a shoes made of wood. Yes, guys. Just observe and see the artifacts of the previous civilizations as I tour you in this room. Let's go upstairs and see the artifact that displayed there. What a wonderful ceiling. As you observe, guys, the unique painting on the walls. It was distinguished by its Islamic architecture, reflected in Andalusian drawings and Arabic and Kishani inscriptions on the walls. This is another set of artifacts that displayed in the octagon glass. A Saudi national dress called thobe is also in the display. On the other room, a set of old rifle that was being used by the warriors before was on display. Let's see this old rifle, guys. There was also a set of silver rings and other paraphernalias. There was also a different sets of knife. Maranding Nak, a display of Saudi Arabia's money. Look, I noticed something. There was a Philippine money inside. A 20 peso bill. Bakit kaya Marandiyan? There was also a display of an old sewing machine model named Butterfly. Looks like a Singer model. I cannot go upstairs to the second and third floor because it was closed to the tourists and visitor that time. At the entrance, I saw a display of an old model television. A manuscript of a previous leaders of Kingdom of Saudi Arabia is one also of the display here in the palace. Ibn Saud, the founder and the first king of Saudi Arabia. Thank you guys for watching with me of the 18,000 artifacts that was being collected by Mohammed Al-Maqar, the private owner of this Almeger palace, who was a traveler at that time. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you will be notified on my future uploaded videos. Thank you and have a nice day.